Want to start your day speaking English? Practice these 30 real-life morning sentences slowly, clearly, and naturally. Welcome to the English podcast with Lina. Here, English feels like home. We learn step by step with soft words and a little smile. Hi, I'm Lina. I'm so happy to have you here today. In this episode, we'll practice 30 English sentences about your morning from waking up to leaving the house. Each sentence is short, useful, and easy to repeat. Let's take the first step together. I wake up early. I open the window. I stretch my arms. I make my bed. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I dry my body with a towel. I put on clean clothes. I comb my hair. I drink a glass of water. I go to the kitchen. I cook my breakfast. I eat eggs and toast. I drink a cup of tea. I read the news. I check the time. I pack my bag. I check my schedule. I wear my shoes. I take my phone. I say goodbye to my family. I lock the door. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I see the bus coming. I get on the bus. I find a seat. I start my day with a smile. You did great today. Speaking English slowly helps you build confidence one word at a time. Try using 3 of these sentences tomorrow morning, just 3. And if you liked this practice, don't forget to subscribe for more. There's a new episode every few days, and I'll be here waiting with new stories and new smiles. Which sentence was your favorite? Type just the number below 1 to 30. I'd love to see your answer. See you soon, and don't forget to start your day with kindness. Bye for now.